Hey guys, welcome. And it's 2021. Uh, Wishing you guys all a happy new year. And just to give a quick note out there, please do still maintain social distancing and just to protect you, yourselves, your friends, and family. So now the part one of the iPhone SE 2020 is over. Uh, we're going to talk about the part two, which is the camera test and the battery, the performance in this phone. So for those of you who have missed out the part one of the of this phone, the features that it offers, link in the description below. Now coming to the video test, I have taken all the videos, all the modes available in this phone, main camera and the selfie. So for you guys to see how the phone actually performs in terms of camera recording and the photos, I've taken also in the daytime and at the night. So if you can see, it's a lot of stuff there, so I'm going to keep it short, quick, for you guys not to bore out. And also I'll not be adding music in this video while showing it to you, so that you can actually hear also the actual surrounding, to also make sure that how the mic performs as well. So let's move on to the video testing. Now those were the videos. I took them, the photos and the videos, day and night. Hope you found them informative, but in my opinion the quality during the daytime for the videos and the photo was impressive, even for the selfie camera. That's because in the daytime it's much easier, and especially the camera do perform well in the daytime, and the processing of the image is also quite amazing. You have seen the natural look of the videos and photos, but the downside is it begins in night shots, night videos, where definitely it does lack in that specific region. But keep in mind, it's not just because of the software they have to improve. It's already been improved a lot, but the last thing is the camera sensor. It's quite small even for the selfie or the main camera. It really does matter the hardware size. That's why the DSLR and mirrorless cameras are still on the lead, because having the bigger lens, or the bigger image sensor. Now talking about the battery life of the iPhone SE 2020, it's quite impressive too. I'm going to tell you that it does perform well. I'm a guy who use quite a lot. Every once in a while I check my phone. It's just in me like that, and it still lasts me the whole day with some 15% of battery life, maybe at nearly midnight. So yeah, it does perform well. And in terms of if you're gonna be play some games, or if you're gonna be doing some video chats like FaceTime or Google Meets, which I am always currently using it, yes, the battery would drain faster compared to just using it normally. But in terms of browsing the internet and doing everything, yes, it does last you quite long till night, so you don't need to charge this phone at all. I've taken also some screenshot of the battery page in the iPhone for you guys to see that how did the phone performed. And if you can see, it's have done quite well. Now in terms, my conclusion for the battery life, it's a plus point, it's a pass for my side. I don't know, I cannot guarantee after a year of use because it's just been half a month. I'll let you guys know about it regarding this battery life in a year's time. So if you want to know about that, please do subscribe to this channel for such info. Now if you do enjoy this video, please do leave a like and do subscribe, as I told you earlier, for more infos, more features, more reviews coming up, many other tech stuff to be reviewed, and many more tech updates. And see you guys in the next video.